Right, what's up, driving fam and those who come after? This is going to be my Suorin Vagon and the Smok Novo comparison video. These are two of the best NICOTINE devices in the game right now, and I really hope y'all enjoy the video. If you do, please drop a subscribe. Alright, first up we got the Smok Novo. It's coming in at 450 milliamp battery. We got a 2 ml pod, looking good. Got the red chrome. And then next up we got the Suorin Vagon. It's coming in at 435 milliamp battery, and it has a 2.5 ml capacity for all of your juice. So for the Suorin Vagon, you're going to be expecting a slightly airy but very cool type of hit compared to the Smok Novo, where you expect that tight sort of Juul type of hit. Now, in my opinion, I actually prefer the Vagon type of hit just because sometimes the Smok Novo will be a little too tight, and you can't really hit it as much as you would a normal salt nic vape. So yeah, that's just my preference, but if you like tight drags, sort of like the Juul, then you're really gonna like the Smok Novo. Alright, so next up we have the refill and pod durability. So for me, I definitely recommend the Suorin Vagon pod, because the way the cap is made, or where you put the juice in, it's very easy to take off and refill and put back on. There's absolutely zero leakage with this pod design, and you're going to be looking at around 4 to 6 refills per pod. And next up we got the Smok Novo pod design. I think the pod is decent, pretty much looks like most other Smok pods. However, you're gonna expect about 3 to 4 refills per pod, and that's really maxing it out there. When it comes to leaking, I think Smok is pretty notorious for leaking pods, so you're definitely going to expect leaking, and I definitely recommend to clean it every refill, even in between hits, depending on how long your pod lasts. Alright, so now we're going to get into device durability, battery indicator, and design. So I'd like to say that the Suorin Vagon has an amazing design, has that really nice finish. It's all metal design, seems like it's gonna last a lot. It also has that nice clip, and that really comes in handy because you can just clip it on your pants, clip it anywhere you want, and whoa, okay, maybe not anywhere. Got it for the go. The battery is pretty average. It'll last you throughout the day. You might have to charge it at night depending on how long you use it. But yeah, overall I really like the design of this device. The battery goes from green, blue, and red. Red meaning you're out of battery, you need to charge it. Alright, next up we got the Smok Novo, and the Novo has this sort of prism type of color to it, and it's a plastic device. In my opinion, it's a bit bulky. It doesn't really feel that nice in the hand. It's small and discreet, so that's a plus. But I really am not sure about the design on this device. When it comes to battery life, I find it draining a little bit more than the Vagon. Even though it has a bigger battery, I'm sort of always charging this device. And yeah, there's not really much else to say. I think the durability, not really sure how well it's gonna last. I mean, I've heard a lot of people say that the leaking really does get in there and starts auto firing, so you're gonna want to watch out for that. And it's plastic, so you just might have to be careful with it. Overall, it's gonna last, but there might be some troubles down the road. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all liked the video. Why don't you drop a comment on which device you're gonna get, or if it's a different one, or if you got an opinion on what I should make next. Just drop that down. Yeah, had a lot of fun making the video. Really hope it helped y'all out. Check out my other videos over here, that way, this way, or like over here. But yeah, had fun making the video. Long day in this room. This is the outro. Just hitting the Vagon. Alright, y'all. That's enough. Peace.